Okay. Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Ma'am.
Please speak louder. Can you speak English or can you understand English? Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you
I'm
have any
willing.
friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines, okay? Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I
Is
agree.
this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I am first timer.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because it's my first time. I want to work malapit. Malapit sa
Okay,
Pilipinas.
so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Eileen. My name is Mrs. I'm 25 years old. I'm from Pigalan, Aurora, Philippines. And I have two two siblings.
It's okay. Just don't get nervous, okay? Just be confident. I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single or married?
I'm single, ma'am.
Do you have children?
I don't have.
When is your birthday?
November 20, November 5, 2000, 1999.
What is your height and your weight?
42, 42 kilograms.
Okay, what about your height?
148, ma'am, or
What is
5.
your religion?
Um, INC, ma'am.
INC. What is your
Yes.
educational background?
Um, I'm graduating senior high school, ma'am,
Okay.
here.
So, do you know what are you up to, right? You were going to work as a domestic helper, okay? You were going to sign a 2 years contract. Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia? How many brother and sister do you have?
I have two mom, one brother and one sister.
What is your rank in your family?
What, mom?
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second?
I'm the eldest.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My mother is 51 years old and a housewife. My father is 51 years old, um, a construction worker and a
Okay.
farmer.
So as I have mentioned, being a domestic helper is a very tough job, okay? It is not an easy job. You cannot simply say, Mom, I wanted to go back home because I miss my family and I cannot handle my job anymore. No such a thing. Because you will going to sign a 2 years contract, okay? Do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am. Here,
In which place in the Philippines?
um, from Aurora.
How many years you work there?
From 2013 to 2023,
So you've
5
been
years.
working as a housemaid for 10 years.
I know, ma'am. 2019 and 2023.
2019 to 2023, you've been working for 4 years.
Yes,
Is it stay in May?
yes, ma'am. Stay in.
Okay, so can you share it with me? What are your duties, your previous employment in Aurora?
I'm handling childcare, uh, children, and the light cooking, ma'am, and Laundry.
Okay, you do the house chores, laundry, ironing. How old is the children that you take care? How many children?
Two, ma'am. 1 years old and 9 years old.
1 year old and 9 years old. Okay. After 2023, do you have any working experience?
Ano, ma'am?
Okay, so you're just staying you were just staying in your house only, is it? And then you you apply here in Malaysia. Okay, so as I have mentioned, houses here is very big houses, okay? There is no joke. You need to clean the entire house, yeah? You need to get ready yourself because you might experience those things that you didn't experience your previous employment in Aurora. You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking, and you cannot go back home for 2 years, okay? So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Okay.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes. Okay.
Can you
Okay,
cook?
ma'am. Light cooking, ma'am. From like from Philippines food and some Western food.
Okay, but you are willing to learn some new recipes, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? I think
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
hesitating. Yes or no? Yes. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes.
So you were going to sign a 2 years contract many times I have told you, okay? You can simply go back home. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay? Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, okay? It means you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, but if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800, but if you will work, you're going to have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
We just wanted to make it clarify to you before you come to work here in Malaysia so that you won't give us problem at the same time. If you agree, come here, work properly, don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's okay also. We don't force people to come here. You just stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries, okay? How do you fight your homesickness knowing that this is your first time working abroad? Frequently, homesickness will attack you. What will you do?
Just working and working to.
You would just what? Work and work only to lessen your homesickness or to lessen the longing for your family, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves at the same time because we are a foreigner in their country, okay? You need to respect the employer, follow the rules and regulations, and you need to respect their culture at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview to your employer, okay? Thank you so much and have a good day.
Ma'am, ay sorry.